Alright, Wagwan music lovers, welcome back to the channel, Jenna One Podcast. Now listen, we've been gone for a minute, but however, YouTube will give you a hard time with the song them. They might copyright it and they might get blocked from certain countries and all that. But anyway, we're there, you see me? And you know we work, so it take our time for come and here, come do them something, you see me? Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Skillibeng, Koffee, come in. That one here tough. Nothing not gonna lie to him, that one here tough. Lyrically friendly.
Let them never learn them lesson. Anywhere they see them here address it. Yeah, come and let that one pressing. Tell them we pull up from we have a desi.
I know one of many, try test me. My seat clear, then I carry belly. But my will make you lose here, bust it like a jelly. Slap you with the Remy Reggie, slap you with the semi.
Yo, man say, yo, they might carry belly, slappy, make you lose here from your belly.
Lord of mercy, tackle them, a ball of masicka, fi know the crime, but me know say cash him have special plus me have to have my brother back, so yes, me have to test it, pull up tongue, full of ball, then I laugh to call me crazy. Yeah, I'm a nugget, turn up, none of party, let's say I'm a bunny, at
yo, hold on, go back to Skillibeng, hold on.
Them never learn them lesson.
Yeah.
Anywhere they see them here address it. Yeah, come and let that one pressing. Tell them we pull up from we have a desi.
I know one of many, try test me. My seat clear, then I carry belly. But my will make you lose here, bust it like a jelly. Slap you with the Remy Reggie, slap you with the semi.
Lord of mercy, tackle them, a ball of masicka, fi know the crime, but me know say cash him have special plus me have to have my brother back.
This remind me of Adonia and Cartel link up.
Yes, me have to test it,
Big
pull
man
up tongue,
thing.
full of ball, then I laugh to call me crazy. Yeah, I'm a nugget, turn up, none of party, let's say I'm a bunny, I'm a ball of friend, and I forget it. And then me ring up Skillibeng and tell him say them thing a peng, and then me know say by me hang up in my forward desi. Spin top.
Koffee tough, you know. Koffee find a lyrical back somewhere.
Me I call up them in a limousine. When I care, feeling like we better call the police. And jump in on the beast and then we go over east and we do whatever please and then we gone overseas.
Coffee me nah, call nobody. War more want to this squat, I careless balance, man, and a farid, Ghana, foreign, me no miss no target, could a fast, not Chalibana, savage starter, carnage, blast, I got this spot, I spit. From a band, a badness, automatic laugh, and shot in middle, they will walk and knock it, me no in a drama, badness, make your ruga car dramatic. Nice amount of rifle when the shot, automatic, dangerous amount of damage. How the fuck we living, fuck these bitches, love it, digit, focus, my for bucky riches, not just city, nothing pretty, let's say a couple filly. Knuckle bling is my the girl, a bubble for me.
And you have to diplomatic with your matic. Now forgot to tell them when I play the call cryptomatic. Mess with the Nina, I'm saying Nina got it.
Like, dog, yo. I feel like if I boy run up on Skillibeng, you know, dog, it's hard if you overcome that challenge, you know, brother. Yo, Skillibeng, tough, you know.
Mrs. got to beam up when we in a traffic. Blast off and them couldn't find a cleaner rocket. Anywhere we go, you know we have money in a pocket. Yeah, them man on a challenge, let me sip it, vap it. Scene left a graphic, we have fire rapid.
Discover me sick on top of the beat, that's why my lips so lavish. Fuck the me that chatting, make the cabbage stack it.
Discover, that's why I sit on the beat, that's why I live so lavish. Yo, nothing gonna understand nothing, dog.
It profit me no alcoholic, but the backers have a fucking popping. Or them fi stop it. If Jana said that all you a lit boy, them a some gal, them a some automatic. Mount a jaggy pull up when me traveling and the mount a gal, them so mad that because we have the bag where them no know if you have. So reactive to the facts and me in a hole in a lease. Me no fear, nobody pull up on me and I'm me a shot him. My brain chip and I'm me here, care me a carry. Me press the trigger and the deliver a funeral. Left ahead in a valley, literally we be snap a picture and the video and we send it straight to your mommy. Pull up on your dead and you not see nobody in a party. Me we take your gal in front of me.
Koffee run up on your block if I not skill it, then I'm me attack it. The block is that so we pull up a river Kawasaki. Yeah, say them know the.
So, him say, yo, if I know me, I take a girl like Koffee gay or something. Just I try to find out.
Good, but then now we a crack it, we a lock it, we a topic, tree a crack, we be up at it. Yeah, everything connect, the plug there in a socket. Philosophic in the place, I'm so bureaucratic. Yeah, couldn't run the place, I never see a profit. Tell them member we no national, I never geographic. Now for tell me what sure do. We share a role with you terrible. Should we hurt you? By virtue, you should have gone home to your mother for the curfew. Dirty, your purple, can't square up, stay in your circle. The light of the paper, the curse, and the whole of my friend, my person.
Yo, me not like dog. Yo, this tough. Yo, this tough. Yo, me not like you, dog. This is it, bro. Like, I hate this, bro. I'm more than like it. I hate that still piece song, though. This is the outro. Alright, hold on. Pause. Make way. No, let me tell you this. When you think about a lyrical production, this is what me I talk about. Like this tough. This is a song where you can play no matter what mood you're in. And that's one thing I can tell you, dog. When it comes to music, you have to make music, dog, for different moods, but you have to make music where no matter what mood you're in, dog, people can listen to it. You see me? So if you feel like you're in a bad man mood, you can listen to a bad man song. Cartel, Dona, Masicka. You see me? The whole top tier. You see me? Bounty. Sizzler. You see me? You want to burn some fire, Caperton. This is a song where you can feel any sort of thing. Like if you want to burn a weed down and relax and just meds, I eat. If you want a vibe, I eat. If you want a little party but soothing, relaxing, I eat. 10 out of 10. Lyrical content, 10 out of 10. Pen to paper. This is brother, this come like a samba this when it come out to music, brother. This is musical samba. Don't play youth. Like, comment, share, subscribe, up and like chat it up too though.